MySQL tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover about 95 to 98% of everything you will ever need to use MySQL. And I have a lot to do, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is MySQL Workbench, and you should install it whenever you get MySQL, and I'm not going to go through the whole installation process because that's pretty easy, and everything will be exactly the same on Mac, PC, Linux, anything. If you want to come in here and go and create a new user, you're just going to come in here, open up MySQL Workbench, click on Server Administration, and then you're going to have this pop up, and click on OK. Then you're going to have to type in your password, and then specifically, you're going to go to Accounts, Manage Users, and you're going to see all the users. The user I'm going to use in this tutorial is going to be MySQL admin, this guy right here. If you want to create a new user, just click on Add Account, and then you're going to come in here, give a username, a password, and all that stuff, and then you can go into administration roles and all of the different things that user will be able to do. I'm just going to cut it short right there and jump right into MySQL. Okay, here I am in a terminal. Like I said, everything is exactly the same on PCs and on Linux and on Macs and everything. So this will be the command line in Windows or a terminal inside of Linux or Mac OS X. So you're just going to start it up. You might type in MySQL 5 or you might have to type in MySQL. It depends on whatever your system is set up for. And I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to log in. Like I said, this is a custom made user, and you just type in -U for the user ID and -P for the password. Type in whatever password I set up for this user, and here I am inside of MySQL. Now if I want to quit out of MySQL, I just type in quit and I'm out. You can also just press up and log back in, and then type in my password again, and here I am again. Clear my scroll back. If I want to show all the databases that I have inside of my database, I just type that in, show databases, and you can see all of them pop up right there. And I'm going to try to stick with convention. So normally whenever you're typing in all of your commands in MySQL, you want to use uppercase letters. So if I want to create a database, and let's say I want to call it test3, there you go, went and created that. And we can also come in here, show databases, and you can see test3 is there on our screen. If I would want to then use that database, I'm going to try and stick with the uppercase here. I just type in test3, and there you can see that is going to be the current database I'm using. If I want to show my currently selected database, I just type in select database, and there you can see I'm using test3. And then if I want to destroy that database, just type in drop database if exists test3, show databases, and now you can see test3 is gone. And I have a link in the description for this video that has all of this listed out, and it's heavily commented. You can use it as a cheat sheet. Now in creating our database, what we have to do is, very often it makes a lot of sense to print out everything, just write it out exactly what you want to store. So what I'm going to do here is create a student database, and you can see here I have student, and we're also going to have scores for both quizzes and tests. And you can see all of the information. I'm going to have a science class, and I'm going to have an English class, and a whole bunch of other different classes as well. And I'm just going to model out exactly what I want my data to look like. Then after I model all of this out, and I give each of my students an ID as well as test scores,